How to fix DM limit on Twitter app. So if you're facing the DM limit issue on the Twitter app, it's actually rather quite simple to fix it. But you just have to make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and watch this video till the very end. Now, if you want to fix the DM limit issue on Twitter app, maybe you're opening the Twitter app, you logged into your account as well. After you log in, maybe you're trying to DM someone, but it says DM limit reached or something. First of all, you have to understand that Twitter actually has a daily direct message limit of 500 messages. And if you reach it, you can't send more until the limit resets. That is within 24 hours. If it resets, then until that time, you cannot send another message if you've already made more than 500 messages. If you're sending direct messages to accounts that do not follow you, you may also need to verify your phone number. So make sure that's not the case. But one thing that I would, however, recommend that you try to do is you can simply try to give it a simple log out and re-log in. So go to settings, go to account information, try to log out and re-log into your account to see if that actually helps you solve the problem. But if you've already made over 500 messages, you just have to wait until that time resets. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.